Hello everyone, welcome to Crown Biology classes. This is Rohit Chaudhary, and in today's lecture we are going to study the topic named Phylum Hemichordata under part 10 of Animal Kingdom series. So let's start. Phylum Hemichordata. Phylum Hemichordata. Why this phylum is named as Hemichordata? Hemi means half. Why it is named as Hemichordata? Because it shows a connecting link between non-chordata and chordata. And the most famous example in Hemichordata is the tongue worm. The first feature under phylum Hemichordata is Hemichordata was earlier considered as a subphylum under phylum Chordata. It was considered as a subphylum under phylum Chordata, but now it is placed as a separate phylum under non-chordata, as it shows connecting link between non-chordates and chordates. The next feature under phylum Hemichordata is this phylum consists of a small group of worm-like marine animals. Habitat will be marine. So this is the first important point. The habitat of the organisms found in phylum Hemichordata is marine, with organ system level of organization. Right from platyhelminthes, we are discussing or we are studying that the organisms are having organ system level of organization. The next feature is they are bilaterally symmetrical. Bilaterally symmetrical means when the axis is passed right from the center of their body can be divided into two equal halves, left half and right half. And they are triploblastic. Triploblastic means all the three germ layers will be present, namely the outermost ectoderm, the middle mesoderm and the innermost endoderm. And these are coelomate animals. Coelomate animals means coelom or the cavity will be present in them. That's why the members of this phylum are named as coelomate. The third important characteristic is they are triploblastic, and the fourth one is coelom is present. The next important feature under phylum Hemichordata is the body is cylindrical. The body is cylindrical in shape and is composed of an anterior proboscis. On the anterior side, a proboscis will be present. In the middle, a collar will be present, and on the posterior side, a long trunk will be present. So you have to remember these three important parts. First one is proboscis, the second one is collar, and the third one is a long trunk. The next important feature is the circulatory system is of open type. Open type means blood vessels will not be present and the tissues or the organs are directly bathed in the blood. The next important feature is respiration. Respiration, it takes place through gills. Just like in fishes, the respiration takes place through gills. In hemichordates as well, the respiration takes place through gills. The next feature is excretory organ is proboscis gland. Proboscis gland, as we have studied just now, it is present on the anterior side and it will help in excretion. The next is fertilization, and the fertilization is external. That means outside the body in the water. The next is development is indirect. Whenever there is an indirect development, it should instantly pop up into your mind that larval stages will be involved. The most important and the most famous examples of Hemichordata are Blanoglossus and Saccoglossus. In the further slide, we are going to study the diagram of Blanoglossus in somewhat detail. Let's study the diagram of Blanoglossus in detail. So this is the diagram of tongue worm. Tongue worm, or we can call it as a corn worm. This is commonly known as tongue worm or acorn worm, but the zoological name is Blanoglossus. 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 So the body of Blanoglossus is divided into three parts, namely the first one is proboscis. It is present on the anterior side and it do help in excretion as it is an excretory organ. This collar is wrongly labeled here. This is the collar, right? So do label correctly. This is the collar, the middle part, second part. All right, and starting from here till the end, this is trunk, the third part. All right, so we can see the body of Blanoglossus is divided into three parts, namely proboscis, collar, and trunk. Stomochord will be present somewhat here. Here will be present stomochord. And the origin of stomochord is ectodermal. Ectodermal origin will be there and it will be present near to the mouth. Alright, it will be present near to the mouth. We can see these are the gills. And gills do help in respiration. Gills helps in respiration, and these are the genital wings. These are the genital wings. Genital wings, and the members found in this phylum are unisexual or dioecious. Means males and female sex organs are present on the different individuals. So they show sexual dimorphism as well. And in which phylum we have studied sexual dimorphism earlier? In phylum Annelida. On the posterior side, anus will be present. This is anus. Alright. And 2 to 3 important features we need to discuss that we have not studied earlier. That we have studied that the circulatory system is of open type and the blood is colorless with amoeboid corpuscles, and sometimes the respiratory pigment is present named as vanadium. As we have studied, indirect development is there. So indirect development means larval stages will be involved. So the larva found in this is Tornaria larva. And this Tornaria larva is similar to the Bipennaria larva found in Echinodermata. Alright, the Tornaria larva will be similar to the Bipennaria larva of Echinodermata. The words are difficult to pronunciate, so I am fumbling. I do apologize for that. I hope you understand. So this was all about the phylum Hemichordata. Ending this video lecture on a positive note, there is a positive saying which says, don't let compliments get your head and don't let their criticism get your heart. I repeat, don't let compliments get your head and don't let their criticism get your heart. Thank you for watching.
We'll be right back.